Hi everyone, Adam from Flowerman, and today we're going to talk about the topic that's close to my heart, is making wedding bouquets. I do know a thing or two about creating something special for a special occasion, and that's what weddings are all about, making something special. So whether you're a professional florist or just someone who wants to make a beautiful bouquet for your friend's wedding, here are some tips that will help you create the perfect bouquet. First of all, you need to start with the basics. What kind of flowers do you want to use? What color do you want to incorporate? What kind of shape do you want your bouquet to have? These are all important questions to consider before you even start making your bouquet. Once you have a basic idea of what you want, it's time to start putting it together. Start by selecting a few key flowers that you want to feature prominently in your bouquet, then add some filler flowers and greenery to give your bouquet depth and texture. When arranging your flowers, it's important to keep in mind the overall shape of your bouquet. You want to create a balanced and comprehensive look, so make sure your flowers are evenly distributed throughout the bouquet. Another important factor to consider is the stem length. You want to make sure your stems are trimmed to the right length so that your bouquet sits nicely in your hands and doesn't feel too heavy. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative. Adding unique elements like ribbon or feathers can really make your bouquet stand out and reflect the personality of the bride. In the end, creating a beautiful wedding bouquet is all about putting your heart into it. It's a labor of love that will be cherished. And remember, for years to come, so go out there and create something special. I know you can do it.